The Epson Expression Photo XP-970 is a sleek, wide-format wireless color photo printer designed for photography enthusiasts and creative users. It combines professional photo quality, smart connectivity, and compact design for stunning prints at home or in small studios. All in one creative performance, this versatile printer allows you to print, scan, and copy with ease. It is built for users who want high-quality photo output along with everyday document handling in a single compact machine. Brilliant borderless photo printing. Using 6-color Claria Photo HD inks, the XP-970 produces vibrant, borderless photos up to 11x17. It delivers smooth color gradations, accurate skin tones, and gallery-quality results ideal for photography and creative projects. Fast photo output. The printer can produce a 4:6 photo in as fast as 11 seconds, making it quick enough for high-quality photo printing without long waiting times. Wide media and specialty printing. A rear paper feed supports specialty papers, while built-in support for CD, DVD direct printing adds creative flexibility. This makes the XP-970 ideal for customized media projects. Innovative fold-over scan lid. The fold-over scanner lid securely holds originals in place during scanning or copying, ensuring accurate alignment and better scan quality, especially useful for photos and delicate originals. Large 4.3-inch touchscreen and PC-free printing. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen makes navigation simple and intuitive. Built-in USB and memory card slots allow PC-free printing, letting you print photos directly from storage devices. Wireless and router-free printing. The XP-970 supports Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct, enabling printing directly from smartphones, tablets, and PCs, even without a router. It's designed for smooth, cable-free operation. Voice-activated smart printing. Enjoy hands-free convenience with voice-activated printing, allowing you to print documents, photos, to-do lists, and shopping lists using supported voice assistants. Advanced photo editing and cloud scanning. Built-in tools allow easy photo adjustments such as red-eye removal and photo restoration. You can also scan to the cloud, making photo sharing fast and effortless. Genuine Epson ink reliability. The printer is optimized for Epson genuine ink cartridges, ensuring consistent quality, long printer life, and warranty protection. Overall, the Epson Expression Photo XP-970 is an excellent choice for users who want professional photo quality, wide-format borderless printing, smart connectivity, and creative flexibility in a slim, stylish design from Epson. It's a powerful photo printer made for creativity without compromise.